The story is coming from the PPQ pistol with this great trigger. We added some feature to the PPQ pistol. First step was to put on the polymer frame a 5-inch barrel and slide. Next step was we created the Q5 Match. It's a slide which is exactly the same design like this slide on the steel frame. And then of course we said, okay, we are Walther. We have this huge business of competition guns. We're talking about thousands of dollars for a single shot 22 rimfire rifle. We are talking about precision triggers. And we said, we want to combine that and have a pistol out there on the market which shows what we're capable of doing, and that's the steel frame. And it's been very well received on the market. It's almost like the market was waiting for a steel frame pistol with modern technology, striker fired, and very good trigger.
Yeah, neat gun, very soft shooting. Actually weighs a couple more ounces heavier than the 1911, which is something else. I mean, 9 mil.
Yes, and we hear that a lot, reduced muzzle flip, and people just love it. The design is great, it feels great in your hand, the grip texture is great, it's aggressive. We have the push button mag release, which is a common feature, everybody loves it, everybody knows where it is exactly. Ambidextrous features on the gun, which is an important feature for today, even though most of the people are right-handed. Some just appreciate the slide stop lever being on the right and left side. And mag release is one side only, but it is reversible. So you can just remove it and install it on the opposite side. Let me add this, we added a beaver tail. Yeah, interesting feature because actually it's not hammer fired, so it's not gonna snap your hand, but it's just cool looking.
Yeah.
And it
helps with fast draws out of the holster.
Oh, okay, yeah, so your hands
help with that.
Yeah.
And people with very large hands, it does help protect from the slide.
Okay, yeah.
Neat gun. Now, from what I understand, you guys are planning on kind of a family of the steel frame, right? Kind of duty guns and whatnot. This was the first, but there's other plans.
This is the beginning, exactly. And I mean, when a company invests money in a new product and in the project, I mean, we're talking about considerable amounts of money, then you want to see how well it is received when you actually launch it. Because in the beginning, you can ask whoever you want and they will tell you, yeah, it's a great gun, I will buy it. And then you launch it and then you find out. Once they have to open their pocket, and this gun is a hot seller. So we want to expand that product line, the steel frame line. Anything is possible now because it's a frame that is milled out from a solid piece of steel. So we are flexible. We can give it any shape that we want. We can reduce the size of the beaver tail. We can expand it. We can make the frame shorter. We can just eliminate the Picatinny ray, for example, which would make it more heavy on the front end. So anything is possible right now. Also, either going towards a defense pistol or going towards dipstick shooting or practical shooting with adding some fancy features to the gun.
Hope you enjoyed it.